Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.